Hey Subbies, welcome back to your channel. Alright, edges though. I like the edge check. Y'all like the edges though. Y'all like the braids because I did it. And also check out one of my videos. I posted a video about braiding my hair, how I braid my hair and so forth. But it wasn't a tutorial. But it's not all about braiding, it's about reaction videos. So okay guys, so make sure to like it, comment it, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Yes. Also share this video to each and every one that's in your contacts. So today I'm going to do a reaction to Gabriel Henrique Casa do Pie, or pie, like in Spanish, I think. Cover Aline Barros. I don't know who's that, but I'm gonna listen to it because if it's some Spanish, I don't listen to Spanish, but I know that Spanish people watch my YouTube channel, so I want to try to make them feel at home. You know, I just want them to not feel left out. And I do lots of English videos and they don't understand one thing going on. Yeah, you understand one thing going on. So I'm gonna play some Spanish videos, and also comment down below any videos if you're from Africa. Comment down below on African music. If you're from Brazil, comment down below Brazil music. If you're from Jamaica, comment down below Jamaican music. If you're from America, comment down below American music. Please, if you're from any country and where you're from. I know people watch me from all over the world. So if you are from different world, please comment down below videos and I'll do it for you. Feel comfortable, not uncomfortable, so I can feel comfortable. Okay? Okay. So yes. So we're gonna hop right into this video.
Não quero ser como um filho que te ama. Tudo que eu quero é estar perto de ti, Senhor. Nos teus braços eu quero descansar. Correndo irei pra te abraçar, meu Pai. Tu és a minha herança, meu Pai, razão da minha vida, meu Pai. Tudo que eu preciso está em ti, Senhor. Eu quero estar na casa do Pai, comer em tua mesa, meu Pai. Tudo que eu sou é para ti. Vivo só pra ti, Senhor. Tudo que eu preciso está em ti, Senhor. Eu quero estar na casa do Pai, comer em tua mesa, meu Pai. Tudo que eu sou é para ti. Vivo só pra ti. Tudo que eu sou é para ti. Vivo só pra ti.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. Excelente. Excelente. Bravo, excelente. I know one thing I'm saying, y'all. I'm just gonna keep it a stack. Oh, one thing I'm saying. So, yeah, I know one thing I'm saying. Excelente is excellent, right? Yeah. But yes, y'all. If you like this video, make sure that you like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I post another video. Yes, 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 yes. Also, make sure that you follow my social media down in the description box and everything else that's in there. Make sure that you follow and everything. Yes, 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 and yes. So, yeah, I don't understand one thing you were singing. So you can feel free. You feel free to comment down below what the meaning or what he's singing about or what, but I don't know. So yes. So much for ado. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.